This is a tasty burger.
Grandma's kitchen. Man. No, it's alright. You want to give me a proper jalapeno? Or give me a
Habanero.
Give me a jalapeno.
I don't know about this.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Alright, here we go.
Oh
Put
my
it in your eye.
God, no!
Do it.
Is he recording?
Yeah. Oh shit, the lens comes off. Oh god, why?
There's
why have you done this?
stuck in my eyeball.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Do you want
is it
my
still in
help?
there?
Is it still in there?
Go to the shower.
Oh my God. Wait.
Oh, Jesus.
Go into the bathroom. Dude. He's dead.
Left.
Now I just feel bad.
Keep going.
Yeah. Keep moving. Alright.
He's tired.
Waterboarding.
How much is too much?
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
I think you need a cloth over your face. So you don't,
Oh
drown.
Jesus Christ.
I'm definitely getting this ear infection back. Just let me down. Just let me go, hey.
Oh my God.
I think that's even.
What do you want to say to your fans?
Hey guys, don't subscribe to me.
A few moments later.
Nick, where are you? Chloe, you back there?
Can I stop now? Yeah.
Like,
How do you
it's
window?
like watching like the Mal Meninga of, well, I guess it's,
What's
that's
up,
the
dog?
Alright,
Oh, we're almost there. I mean, disc
Hold
one,
your eyes
two,
back in.
three.
Disc one, disky.
Disky, hold your eyes in.
I can't. Spicy Ice 147 here at it again with a brand new I'm blind. Just looking for the fucking hospital, which I'm an. Hey.
We're gonna get you the help, man. We're gonna get you help.
Okay. Shit.
Over here.
Feels good.
Shit, man. Okay. This is the hospital. We're gonna. Here.
Really?
We're gonna get you help, man. Just stay right here.
Fuck!
Hey, just stay there. I'll get you help, buddy. I'll get you help. I swear. I'll
Alright.
be right back.
Just wait here.
Get some help.
This feels good. Nick? Nick? Nick?
Get your help, man. I get you the help you need, man. Just stay there.
Nick? Hello? Shit. I'm done.
I guess.
You have to look again. I can open my eyes, that's nice. Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Just just going for 7 here.
Fucking capsicum eyeballs 1+7 here. At it again. Fuck, that was terrifying.
Oh no.
I like I've smoked every bowl.
No. Oh, that doesn't look too bad.
Oh yeah, no, we're fine. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Grandma's.
Hi guys, it's me, Hilary Duff, and you're watching Grandma's Kitchen. Bye.
Beautiful.